Welcome to this video on LTPO display technology, the future of smartphone screens. The core problem in display design is balancing high refresh rates for speed with the user's need for all-day battery life, as high speed typically drains power quickly. LTPO, or low-temperature polycrystalline oxide, is a smart display backplane technology that controls individual pixels to optimize for both speed and power efficiency. LTPO functions as a hybrid architecture, combining the high-speed capability of LTPS with the charge-holding efficiency of oxide, or IGZO, technology. This enables variable refresh rate, or VRR, allowing the screen to adapt. It can slow down for text or ramp up to 120 Hz for smooth gaming. The result is massive power savings, with potential energy reductions of up to 15%, making features like always-on displays much more practical for daily use. Comparing LTPS and LTPO, both offer excellent image quality, but LTPO provides the advantage of dynamic refresh rates and maximum battery efficiency. The technology continues to evolve, moving from LTPO 2.0 to 3.0, which now supports refresh rates up to 240 Hz with instant switching capabilities. By pairing LTPO with LiPo, or low injection pressure overmolding, manufacturers can shrink screen borders for a premium, bezel-less look. LTPO has quickly become the premium standard, with top brands increasingly adopting this technology for their flagship devices as we move toward 2025. Ultimately, buyers choose LTPO for three key benefits: better battery life, smoother graphics, and the premium status associated with high-end display technology.